Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Loginate, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to delete other files on Samsung. So first of all, launch settings on your Samsung devices. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on the category of apps. Now over here you can see a sorting out icon. Tap on it. Now over here under the category of sort by, tap on the option of size. Then tap on OK. Now from here tap on any of the apps you wish to clear other files from. I'm going to tap on Crunchyroll. From here scroll down below and tap on Storage. Now at the bottom right corner you'll see the option of Clear Cache. Tap on it. You can follow the same step for other apps as well in order to delete other files from the application on your Samsung devices. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.